Alright, good folks over at Performance Protection. There is the installation of the Bearmach piece that I bought. I believe it's just like yours. It comes down underneath the seatbelt retractor. Comes down. Oh, sorry, goes up here. Then the part that goes up and down on the inside is attached to one bolt there, and one bolt right there. And the wheel well is just open. When I put the conversion in, it's only going to have a cutout over here. It doesn't go all the way back here. So back here will be just the same. And then the back area is just your standard back area. This will come off in order for the plate to go up on top. The cutout, like I mentioned in the front, is only from here and back, so all this area will be open. Here will go a speaker enclosure, and I can modify the top of that to accept anything that the C-bar needs. The C-pillar. And this is the top. Just your standard sides. I guess it'll go up through there and go down on the other side. And I'm not sure if it attaches here or it goes. Does the B bar go right through here down and attaches to anything underneath the car? Let me know. I'll show you what's on the outside of that area. That's the front of it. And then in the back, this is the back. And there's the frame. Nice clean frame, no rust. Original rear cross member.